How are you?
Electricals.
Electrical, okay.
Yeah, sure. As I said.
The electrical department.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have anything to say? Just very brief, please.
Yes, yes. We're happy to be in Turkey.
Yeah.
To check out the factory for OEM, original equipment manufacturers for high-rise lift and for the home lift for Truva partnership.
Yeah.
In Istanbul. So we just want to see what they showcase in terms of technicality, electrical and mechanical, to support our market in Nigeria.
Yeah.
And we're happy. We're praised to what I've seen.
Yeah.
You know, the top-notch company.
Sure.
Yes, I want to see the call buttons here.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Listen, sorry.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Abla iki
Hello.
tane orta kahve yaparsın.